Kitchen Planning Quiz, Part 4. You will now see 5 questions relating to planning your kitchen with DIY Kitchens. All the questions are multiple choice and are designed to help you with different aspects of kitchen planning. You will get 20 seconds to answer each question, and don't worry if you guess wrong, as the correct answer is shown after each question. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the height of the plinth that we supply that goes under our base units, excluding true handleless kitchens? Is it A. 110 mm, B. 130 mm, or C. 150 mm? Time's up. The correct answer for question 1 was C. 150 mm. The plinth that goes under your units, to hide the unit legs, is 150 mm high and will fit perfectly under your units, once the legs have been adjusted. Question 2. Which 3 items are used in a kitchen work triangle? Is it A. Cooker, sink, refrigerator, B. Cooker, sink, wine cooler, or C. Cooker, sink, dishwasher? Time's up. The correct answer for question 2 was A. Cooker, sink, refrigerator. The primary purpose of the work triangle concept is to optimize the efficiency of the kitchen layout by creating a clear path between the cooker, sink, and refrigerator, the 3 main work areas. Question 3. By how far should your worktop overhang the front of your kitchen units? Is it A. around 20 mm, B. around 30 mm, or C. around 40 mm? Time's up. The correct answer for question 3 was A. around 20 mm. Our standard laminate worktops, for example, are 600 mm deep. Question 4. How many types of pan drawer sides do we offer? Is it A. 1, B. 2, or C. 3? Time's up. The correct answer for question 4 was C. 3. We offer 3 types of pan drawer sides that allow you to customize the unit for its intended purpose. Question 5. How deep are our top box units? Is it A. 260 mm, B. 300 mm, or C. 560 mm? Time's up. The correct answer for question 5 was B. 300 mm. Our top box units are classed as wall units and as such, are 300 mm deep. Part 4 complete. How did you do?